safely and quickly filling an ATM. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hey there, Carey Buck here. I've been an independent ATM business owner since 2009, and I've been an ATM business mentor since 2011. That's where I teach people just like you how to start and grow your own profitable ATM business that will bring you consistent monthly passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames. Why do you want passive income and big chunks of cash? Well, it's different for everybody, right? Some people want to get out of their 9-to-5 job. Some people want to supplement their retirement. Some people, this is their retirement. Some folks don't want to put out a lot of capital for investments. Some folks want to, put out less capital to make a decent return. Some folks are just finally ready to put their money to work for them. Some folks, as I've been hearing a lot lately, want to help build a legacy, leave something for their children or grandchildren or what have you. Well, it's different for each person, and there's probably a million other reasons that I haven't even touched on, right? But listen, if you'd like me to help you start and grow your own profitable ATM business, go to atmtrainingvideo.com or just click the link in the description. And please don't forget to like this video and click that ATM right there or there. I don't know what side it's on. But click that ATM, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification, select all, so every time I post a video, you're first to know. So, I am out filling ATMs today. I got, let me see, 1, 2, 3. I got 4 that I got to fill today. And then tomorrow I have 2 to fill. But today, I want to talk to you about, the quickest and safest way to fill an ATM, and that is, I dropped you, sorry. I hope I didn't hurt you. It's having an extra cassette, right? So having an extra cassette, it just makes the filling of the machine faster, easier, quick, you're in and out. It's usually about $400. Sometimes you're gonna maybe use for $350, something like that. But $400 new, you get another cassette. Save you a ton of time, right? So in general, I mean, if you don't have an extra cassette, usually it could probably take you about 60 seconds ish to fill an ATM. When you got an extra cassette, you're gonna be in and out of there in 30 seconds. You fill that baby in 30 seconds. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna head into one of our convenience stores. It's not in the best neighborhood, so when I go here, I do like to have a cassette filled up and just walk in and out. And then the next place after I go to that one is at a cash only bar, and that's nighttime. It's not really the best time. So again, I like to have once I put this one in the convenience store ATM, obviously I take the cassette that's in there out, and then I'll fill that one up with cash, and then I'll put that cassette in the bar one, right? And then of course I take that one out, and then I take that one home. Again, quick and easy way to do it. Stick around, and you can come on this journey with me right now. I am leaving the strip club. I just filled the strip club on my way to the convenience store now. Alright, so I wanted to finish up this video because I'm getting ready to fill the bar. But before I fill it, I gotta, get everything situated. So I wanted to take you with me. And yeah, it's dark out now because freaking gets dark earlier now. And I don't like filling this bar, at nighttime. It's only 5:30. But I made a choice to play pickleball today. And I knew I'd be filling it late because I'm playing pickleball. Hence the headband. And hence when you see some of my videos, it's white up here and tan down here. But anyways, so I knew I was going to play pickleball, and I knew I was going to be late, so no big deal. So remember, quickest, safest, fastest way to fill the machine is with an extra cassette. This is the cassette that I took out from the convenience store, right? And I don't like go over the money in this cassette when I'm in front of the convenience store, because it's not the best area. I know I say it's not the best area, but it's not in general the best area, but everybody I've ever met there is just so super freaking nice, you know. It's just not a good area. I'll put it to you this way: I won't let my wife go fill that ATM by herself ever. I mean, my wife is like 100 pounds soaking away, you know, and a country girl. But anyways, so I gotta open this up, and you know, you're gonna open it up, and got my cat mask on. That was left over from the last one, right? So I gotta count this, make sure the numbers are right, and then I'll be right back. All right, my bill count was correct. Normally I have a printout to let me know it was correct, but I forgot to print it out, but I remembered the number. See, even when you've been doing this a long time, sometimes you forget things. But back at the convenience store, the receipt paper ran out, so I had to put new receipt paper in, and by the time I filled that up, I completely forgot to print my stuff out. So, but I remembered the number, so the number matches up. But here is this this cassette ready to go for the next place I'm going to. Does anybody want to guess? Actually, here, let's have a contest here. I gotta put one more bill in here. So whatever number you were gonna guess, add 1 to it. So does anybody want to guess how much cash is in there? So this will be a contest. If you guess right how much cash is in here, you'll win a prize from me. And everybody that guesses right, so, you know, if there's like 3 people guessing the same answer, if you all guess the same answer, you all win a prize. I'll give it until, what's today, Wednesday? I'll give it till Friday at midnight. So Friday 12 midnight, or no, Friday 11:59 p.m. Okay, Friday 11:59 p.m. You can guess how much money is in this. Hold on 1 second though, because I want to put 1 extra bill in there. All right, it's all 20s. How much is in there? So whatever you were gonna guess, add an extra 20 to it, because I just put 1 extra bill in there. Guess how many bills are in there? All right, you have until Friday at 11:59 Eastern. And I don't know when this video is going to be put out. So whatever this video is put out, whatever Friday that is, it'll be 11:59 Eastern is the time you have to guess how much cash is in this cassette. And whoever guesses right, there could be multiple winners, will win a prize from me. And no, I'm not telling you what the prize is. All right, so this cassette is good to go. Like I said, fastest, safest way to fill your ATM is just have an extra cassette. Actually, the safest way is to have someone else fill it, clearly. But if you're going to do it on your own, fastest, safest way, have an extra cassette. That way you're in and out, right? And if you would like me to help you, of course, start your own ATM business, go to atmtrainingvideo.com or click the link in the description. And have any questions, post them below. Ideas for a next video, post that below. Guys, I take your questions, I take your ideas, and I make videos out of them. And then don't forget to like. Give me a thumbs up, like this video. Don't forget to click the ATM right there, or I don't know if it's right there, but click that ATM, subscribe to this channel, click the bell notification, select all, so every time I post a video, you get notified. All right, I will talk to you soon. I'm about ready to go fill this machine, and then I'm heading to the grocery store to get some veggies, because I didn't have my veggies today. I usually have a spinach smoothie, but I was in a rush after pickleball to come out here, and I need to get my veggies in. So I'm going to head to the grocery store, get some veggies, and get some nutrients in me. All right, guys, talk to you soon. Have a great day, and may you live happily off of passive income.